Secretary ka All India Congress Committee, Ubadei Banpet ya ka Party Congress Haka Jala Meghalaya Umanis Chatrath, Ulapan bana ba ka Party Congress, Kanbu ya ki Kyrtong na Baroh Ribho Tali ki Constituency, ban penyakhon ya ka election arajar arpulai. Mentagas ngi, Chatrath ulawan hiar sa Shillong, ban wanshim benta ya ka workshop ka bashis ngi, ban yakran halor ka jingpen kam ya ka nafkap. Habiakran bat kilat pathai khubor, nakaliang Chatrath, ulaong baka Party Congress, kan penyakhon ya ki Kyrtong na ki Ribho Tali ki Constituency.
We held this one-day workshop regarding Nav Sankalp Shivir, which was held in Udaipur a few weeks back, and then later on there was a meeting of General Secretaries of AICC which took place in Delhi under leadership of our GS organization, Mr. Venugopalji, asking to ensure the implementation part and the briefing part in all these states by respective General Secretaries. So today was that basically, and apart from that, we interacted amongst ourselves. Pertaining to election also, there were certain things which we discussed, and it was a very fruitful and a healthy meeting. See, we have a process. We have a Pradesh election committee at the state level. Then we have an election which goes to the PCC. They'll have their meetings. They'll pick up names. They'll shortlist some names. Then they'll send those names to All India Congress Committee, where there'll be a 4 or 5 member screening committee consisting of one chairman, 1 or 2 members, and in charge, and PCC president. It is too early to say anything on this. As a political party, as a oldest political party in the country, I would say, we are going to fight all the 60 seats and we will ensure we get the majority. This is after the elections are announced, or maybe 10-15 days before that. And then it goes to the Central Election Committee, which is a apex body of the Congress for selecting the candidates. So this is the process, and we go by the process only. Present government, as a citizen of this state, as a resident of this state, do you think, just leave aside the media part of yours and think, is the government working right? There's not one, there are 10 issues one can come up with. So, don't you want a change? And if you think of change, you think of Congress party only, within your heart side of it. We will fight for 60 seats. We don't believe in money and muscle power. We believe in the power of people and the love of the people, and they will show it at the time of casting their vote.